Okay, this is how you call the house.
This is a winter beach rental.
Okay.
My name's Randy, and that's Rick.
Hi there.
Hi. So
And I rent here September through June of every year.
For how long usually?
I've been doing it for 12 years.
12 years?
And this is one of the original beach houses built in the 20s.
Yeah. Oh.
So the winter
20s?
months- the winter months are very
1920s?
nice. Yeah, 1920,
Wow.
mid-20s.
It doesn't look that old.
Now this is, for California, this is a very old house.
Really? So I wonder what's your occupation, like doctor or something, lawyer or something?
No, I sell manufactured homes. I'm in real estate.
Oh, okay. So you know a lot about houses,
I
right?
do.
So how much is the rent here for winter time and summertime?
Typically these rent for $3,000 to $4,000 a month.
What?
In the winter time. In the summertime, they rent for about some of these rent for $10,000 a week.
Oh, guys, hi. By the way, so how many months you usually stay when you come?
I usually stay here 8 months of the year.
8 months. Yeah, I got the bird too. I can't miss it. 8 months. Wow, how much money you make to live here? Or
Well, it's very expensive in the summertime, so it's not so expensive in the wintertime.
yeah, this is here's a little, very cute little wooden door. Has numbers of the house, and that's their deck.
Very
So how many
casual place.
bedrooms in there?
This has 3 bedrooms.
They have a really nice view from here.
Very nice to live here. It's very nice to go to sleep to the sound of the ocean. And
Yeah,
wake up to the
everything
sound
is
of the
good
ocean.
except the money part.
You know what? For California, this is pretty inexpensive. It's not that expensive.
Really?
Yeah.
Which part's most expensive
I
then?
rented this 10 years ago.
Which
for,
one?
$5,000 a month.
This one right here?
Right.
Yeah.
So that was 10 years ago. So I don't know what he rented out. That's for the winter, 5,000 a month. You think he
So
rents it
most
out-
houses here are like that?
Say what?
Most houses here are like that? Like mostly people rent kind of
They probably
seasonally.
In the summertime, people pay a lot of money.
pay
They come
5,000 to 10,000 a week.
I bet.
Per
Yeah.
week.
You think summer would be good? Because it's gonna be quite crowded. And
Summer is the high season here,
noisy.
so everybody wants to be here in the summertime.
Okay, now you can enjoy the strangers and Jesus loves you. Oh, husky!